Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, all the fellow humans. Today we are going to explore the meaning of As-Samad. Allah is the satisfier of all needs, and all is in need of Him. He is the sole recourse, the only place of sport where one may go to rid oneself of all trouble and pain, and to receive all that one needs through the blessings of this name, through As-Samad, inexhaustible treasures open and are distributed to all creatures in accordance with their needs. There are people and other creatures of Allah who serve as sources from whom we seek the cure for our troubles and the satisfaction of our needs. However, as our needs are different, the sources corresponding to our needs are different. If one needs wisdom, one seeks a person of knowledge. If one needs money, one goes to someone rich. If one is sick, one finds a doctor. It is not always certain that the scholar is going to answer your question, nor that the rich one will pay the money you need, nor that the doctor will be able to cure you. And they are not so readily available also. One must go to them and wait for them to have time for you. These sources are the signs, the reflections of the attribute As-Samad, and indeed our great gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The satisfier of all needs is ever present. Knowing your needs before you do, satisfying your needs in the way they should be satisfied, not in the way you think they should be satisfied. It is good that you realize your need, that you ask for its satisfaction, that you accept and are thankful for whatever manner it is in which He sees fit to satisfy it. It is good only to make you aware of your Creator and to make you aware of yourself. Otherwise, strictly for the satisfaction of the need, neither your feeling the need or asking for its satisfaction, nor your being cognizant of having received the satisfaction are necessary. For Allah is the all-knowing, all-powerful, generous, compassionate satisfier of all our needs. However, He loves His servants who are heedful more than those who are heedless. He loves His servants who are grateful more than those who are ungrateful. So who is Abdus Samad? Abdus Samad has received from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala the duty of the maintenance and education of His creation. His hand, His tongue, His whole being are a means through which Allah satisfies the needs of the creation. That is why Allah seek Him for the elimination of their troubles, for receiving good, for acceptance of their repentance, to escape from God's anger. He is the intercessor. A believer who recites this name 125 times after the Fajr prayers and before sunrise, in a state of presence, will be protected from lying and unlawful behavior, as well as the hostility of the others, and will find improvement in character and faith. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.